everybody from Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. We are here checking out a deluxe suite, and this is an extremely spacious room. There's lots of different areas. It's 1.5 baths. I'm going to show you guys all around, and this is also a club level room, so you get access to the Chronos Club as well. So as you walk into the room, you're going to have your half bath. So obviously don't have a shower in here, but you do have a toilet, and then also of course some room to get ready, which is nice to have. This is going to be a pocket door, and then you have a nice kind of full-length mirror, 3 that are put together, and then you come into this main area here. So you're going to have kind of like your living room area. You have a really nice large TV over here. This couch is going to open up and be a sleeper, so it's going to be a queen size sleeper. You have a nice little setup with a workstation table over here. You can always use that for breakfast. And then over on this side here is where you're going to have your coffee set up, as well as your refrigerator. And like I said, this is going to be inclusive of a club level. So you do have access to the Chronos Club as well. But as you walk through, this is going to be the main bedroom. So you have your king size bed here, really nice view. So we just have a standard view, but if you look, what's nice about Coronado is you basically have a good view no matter where you are. You can see over on the left there, that's gonna be Hollywood Studios. And then when we go upstairs, you'll be able to look out at Dahlia Lounge, and you can see fireworks from both Magic Kingdom and Epcot when you get the right view. Going back across the master bedroom here, you do have your personal safe. You have your closet, which is gonna be a pocket closet. So you can use this as a mirror. Ooh, it's a little hard to move here, but then you do have the full closet with your robes and some slippers. And then you have your bathroom. So this is going to be the full bath. So you have 2 sinks here. You'll have your walk-in shower, and then you have the water closet here as well. So this room is going to sleep 4 people. It's a really great option if it's like mom and dad and the little ones, where you kind of want to have some space for mom and dad, and you want to have space that's separate for the little ones, and you do have that 1.5 bath, which is nice. So even if it's 4 adults that are sharing an area together, this is a nice option because everybody kind of has their own bathroom. So again, this is in the tower, so this is going to be at the Gran Destino Tower, and like I said, you do have access to the Chronos Club, so I'll make sure to bring you upstairs so you can take a look at that too. The Chronos Club is located on the 15th floor in the Gran Destino Tower, and it's going to be open exclusively to club level guests, so there's not a ton of people that are going to be in there other than kind of those busy times right before the park opens. The club is going to be open from 6:30 a.m. until 10 p.m., and there's going to be some light bites and beverages that are offered. This does include wine and beer, so you just need to ask one of the cast members and they'll be able to grab that for you. That's going to be it for today, but if you have ever stayed here, I would love to hear what your thoughts are on Coronado Springs Gran Destino Tower. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, and if we can help you with your Disney vacation plans, be sure to reach out for complimentary assistance.